Welcome to Webnorah channel. You are here because you are looking for how to trade launchpads. You are here because you are looking for means to improve your financial standing. You are also here because you need knowledge. So permit me to welcome you, and you are in the right place. So this video is centered on how to trade launchpad or how to start trading launchpad on PinkSale. Okay, I have done a couple of videos which some of them are tagged to your right on your screen there. You can follow through, or you go into my channel, the videos on my channel, to see how you can to get yourself familiarized with my contents, and then to get yourself familiarized with the introductory videos prior to this very one you are watching. Okay, so it's very advisable right now. So let's start trading launchpads on PinkSale. The first thing you need to do is go to pinksale.finance. That's the website. Then once you get there, you simply go to launchpads. And let me tell you first, you can also do this on your mobile device. It's very okay. The website is very mobile friendly. So on PinkSale, they have, you can create your own launchpad. You can create a fair launch and other things like that. But right now we are concerning ourselves with only launchpad. So just go click on launchpads, then go to launchpad list. All right, so I won't be explaining much about all this right now, because I have done that in a previous video, which is tagged on your screen right now on the right side above. You'll see it there, so you can go and watch those ones, then come back to this one, so you understand what all these terminologies and then everything you're seeing on your screen right now, what they mean. All right, so we are going to try to filter. We do not want to wait for upcoming projects. We possibly you need something that you can invest in, and then maybe the next 2 days, 3 days, the project launches, and then you take your money, or you still hold. So let's go to filter. Let's filter this by um let's filter this by in progress. In progress means pre-sales that are currently ongoing. Okay, you see all this one you're seeing here upcoming. So you see now, sale live, sale live. So this one ends in 5 days, this ends in 1 day, this ends in 3 days, and then this ends in 4 hours. Doghouse ends in 4 hours. Doghouse ends in 4 hours. So we will need to take a look at this and see if it's something worth investing in. If it's something worth investing in, right? So we click on the view, okay, and then that brings us to this page. It ends in 4 hours. This is Doghouse fair launch. So basically, all you just need to do is read through, be sure that this aligns with what you want. How much are they looking for? Soft cap 18 BNB. How much have they been able to raise? They have raised 6, so they have exceeded their targets right now. They have been able to raise 6 BNB, and it's still going, and it ends in 4 hours. So let's assume we want to buy into this now, buy this pre-sale right now. I'm also going to do a video on how you can follow up on these projects that you have bought into, how you can follow up and then know how it's going, how to monitor them and know when to pull out and when to keep holding, because the projects will likely go up, sometimes 400x, sometimes 1000x, and sometimes there will be wrong pull. So there are dangers in this. So this is not a financial advice. You are going into this basically on your own accord. And then I or this platform will not, or myself will not take responsibility for anything or any financial losses or gain you have via this platform. All right, so we'll go. The first things first, you need to connect your wallet. So just hit connect and then click on your wallet. Is it Trust or MetaMask? So I have MetaMask. Yeah. So so that's it. I use Trust Wallet on my mobile, and I use MetaMask on the system because it's easier. So my wallet is connected right now, as you can see. So now we go to Launchpads and then Launchpad list. Launchpad list. So if you can do this, if you can do this is guaranteed. This is a way, one way you can make a whole lot of money in cryptocurrency by engaging in launchpad sales. Launchpad sales are a beautiful platform, but you also have to be very careful. Okay, be very careful. So now all these are upcoming projects. So we're going to filter to live projects in progress. Okay, in progress, projects that are ongoing, the sales that are ongoing right now, because we don't want to. This one ends in 18 hours, starts. This one starts in 4 hours. This one starts. So we want to engage in the ones that are live right now. That are, this is ongoing. So all these ones say live, say live. So let's just look for one. This is Doghouse. It starts in the next 3 hours. It starts in the next 3 hours. Oh, sorry, this is live already. Doghouse is live already, and it ends in the next 3 hours. So that means in the next 3 hours, this pre-sale ends, and within the next 24 hours, the coin will launch, the token will launch. So let's have a look at this because we don't want to tie our fund down for too long. So there are things you need to look out for also. Like I mentioned, I will do a separate video on this. Things you need to look out for so that you are sure that you are not throwing your funds away. Okay, so looking at this now, Doghouse, we need to check, first of all, check their website. What does their website look like? So clicking on this takes us to their website. So their website happens to be Doghouse Swap. I think it's a swapping platform they are working on. Yeah, working on a swapping platform. So we just have to check and to be sure that the website is not just anything that they just posted to scam people of their money. Look at this, look at this. I'm not sure this website doesn't look nice, doesn't look legit. It looks like something that was already done, so you can just get some money off people. So let's take a look at their Twitter page and see what is obtainable. So some of these things are the prerequisites. These are the investigations, the researches you have to make before you buy into any pre-sale. Okay, others are welcome. So they have 362 followers only. 362 followers. But basically, one of the reasons why these platforms need to raise funds through their pre is to raise money to fund all the social media publicities and all. But with 362 followers, this not does not really look like a valid project to me. Um, we may have to leave this and then let's have a look at this. The token name is Pepe Luke subscription. Pepe Luke subscription. They have a website, so let's check their website out. Let's see what it looks like. So what do they do? What do they do? Pepe Luke subscription. Okay, so have some level of use case. Webnorah, okay, so I think let's have another look at their Twitter platform. Looking at the Twitter handle, we see they have only 214 followers, which is not really encouraging. All right, looking at the Telegram channel, they have about 632 um, followers. I think that's fair enough. So guys, let me just show you without further ado. Let me just show you what this is all about and how to buy into this pre-sale. All right, so what's the minimum purchase? What's the minimum purchase? They have 21 participants right now, and they were looking for 31 BNB. Right now they have 37. That means they have already exceeded their target, their soft cap. So I have say 0.02 BNB here in my wallet. So, and they said 0.02 BNB is the maximum buy. So I'll just enter my 0.02 BNB the way it is in my wallet. That's what I have there. All right. Okay, so I hit on buy now. Remember, this ends in 2 hours time. It ends in 2 hours. If you say ends in 2 hours, so from after 2 hours, it starts counting down to launch. We wait for it to go through. We wait for the purchase to go through, and then once that's done, we have bought into project. So as you can see, that's my MetaMask coming up, try to get me to approve the transaction. Some amount of gas fee to pay, some amount of BNB to pay gas fee for this transaction. You load it again, and then you see the gas fee will change in price again and possibly come lower this time or higher or even higher. So that's one trick I normally use to get lower gas fee amounts. So it's charging me 0.021 gas fee And let's see, the total amount for this transaction is $4.25. So it seems I have up to that amount. Gas fee is $0.22, which is fair. So I'm going to confirm the transaction, and then by so doing, I must have bought into this resale once it goes through. Yes, yes. Once the pre-sale ends, this is going to turn to claim, and the claim will become grayed out. So don't panic because you cannot click on the claim yet until the project now launches. That is when the claim will become clickable. It will have this color, and then click claim, and then you see the number of tokens you bought. Okay, so this is the estimated number of tokens I am going to get from this. So the next thing now you need to do the next thing you need to do is to start following up on this project. The next thing is to start following up because you need to be aware of when it's going to launch immediately after the pre-sale ends. So we go to the Telegram channel because most of them Telegrams are mostly use Telegram for follow-ups and then for launches like this. So you have to go to the Telegram channel and join, and then be sure to always follow up once the project launches. So basically, this is how it works. I'm sure most of us know how to swap on Pancake Swap. Maybe when you want to buy out or you want to buy out your token, possibly it has gone up to a level you think you need. The one I bought last, I just invested about $4, just $4 just to test the platform, and then right now it has done from $4 it has gone about 25 to $30, I think. So it's still there. All right, so guys, this is how it works. All you just need to do right now is to follow up on the platform. If you have any questions, please do not fail to drop in the comment section. And then if you think this video has also blessed you, do not fail to comment in this comment section below. Let us know how far we are going, and then let us know if you need additional help. Remember, you are going into this trade solely on your own. I will not be held responsible for any profits or losses you make. Trade wisely. Till I see you next time, I say bye bye.